Welcome. You will now practice finding gears. You will receive instructions to indicate which gear to select during the exercise. This exercise measures and saves your results. Press the green button on the touchscreen to continue. First gear is what you use to get the car moving. To select this, move the gear stick to the left, then up. Move the gear stick into first. To select second gear, move the gear stick to the left, then down. Well done. We shall now try to cause the car to start rolling using everything we have learned so far. Start by depressing the clutch pedal and hold it depressed. Then move the gear lever to first gear. Now try to find the biting point by slowly releasing the clutch pedal. Release the clutch pedal carefully, otherwise the car's engine will stall. Well done. Now we shall stop. Depress the clutch pedal again and hold it depressed. Continue to hold the clutch pedal depressed and brake the car until stationary. Well done. The trace shows how you used your pedals while driving. In this exercise, you can practice changing up and down the gears while you drive. This exercise measures and saves your results. You have to do one lap of the track. When you pass the lines, you must have the right gear selected and you must be traveling at an appropriate speed. The clutch pedal must be released when you pass the lines. The digits next to the lines indicate the gear you should be in when you pass the line. Too high RPM. Stop fully in the square. You have now finished driving. Well done. Use this button to restart the exercise from the beginning. Use this button to exit the exercise.